The stock of the day is brought to you by IG, Australia's #1 CFD provider. Trade over 17,000 markets with extended trading hours on key US shares and competitive spreads, all on an award-winning platform. Get started at IG.com.
And our stock of the day is News Corp. It owns a majority stake, of course, in REA Group. Now, we actually covered REA yesterday, so you can catch up with that review and analysis for yesterday's show. But let's focus on the bigger company in News Corp. Now, REA has bought a controlling stake in a Canadian company that does virtual 3D tours of properties. The Murdoch family does control REA, has bought nearly 2/3 of Planetar. That's what REA has picked up. It owns iGuide in Canada, which is the property imaging market leader, apparently, in North America. Sanjeev.
Yeah, News Corp is not one that we follow, which is funny because we do follow REA. But from what we see in News Corp, the return on equity isn't very high. It's not. I mean, they've had some growth, but it's kind of been a bit volatile at the News Corp level, in terms of its profitability and its returns over the last 10 years. So it's not something that we spend a lot of time looking at in Team Invest. REA, on the other hand, is a better proposition for us. That looks like a better organization. This acquisition that they're making, I don't know. I couldn't find a lot of details on it, and I'm sure Grady was able to, but I was looking up some announcements. I couldn't see REA announce it. I just saw more in terms of articles. So if they haven't announced it to market, I'm thinking, how big is this actually? But I don't have that information. So, but again, the beneficiary would probably be REA. So if you're trying to decide between the two, I would personally go there. But News Corp itself, there's nothing that exciting for me. I wouldn't say it's bad, but there's nothing that exciting for me that would make me want to jump in and buy.
All right, so no, essentially. No. Yeah, okay, but do like REA,
yeah,
obviously. All right, that is our stock of the day, News Corp.
The stock of the day was brought to you by IG. Trade over 12,000 shares and ETFs, including major tech giants with extended hours on an award-winning platform. Get started at IG.com.